In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp with Odoo. Connecting WhatsApp to Odoo is a great way to centralize your communication and make sure messages with customers or team members are tracked right inside your system. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can follow along in your own Odoo environment. First, start from your main Odoo dashboard. Look for the Apps menu in the top navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where you can install new features and modules that extend what Odoo can do. If you don't see the Apps menu, make sure you're logged in with a user that has the right access rights to install applications. Once you're on the Apps page, move to the search bar, usually located at the top. Click inside the search bar and type WhatsApp. Give it a moment for Odoo to filter the results. You should now see the official WhatsApp integration module, or a WhatsApp-related app, depending on your Odoo version and configuration. Next, click on the module card to open its details, then click the Install button. When you click Install, Odoo starts downloading and setting up that module in your database. This can take a little time depending on your server speed and whether it has to install any dependencies in the background, so don't worry if the screen takes a moment to refresh. After you click Install, Odoo will display a confirmation message or a pop-up asking you to confirm that you want to proceed. Click on Confirm to continue. This step is important because it makes sure you don't install modules by accident. Once you confirm, let the process finish. Avoid closing the browser tab or navigating away until you see that the installation is complete and you're redirected. When the installation is done, you will be guided through some on-screen prompts. These prompts will help you configure the WhatsApp integration. Carefully read each message and follow the instructions provided. Depending on the version and your setup, you might be asked to connect to a WhatsApp service provider, agree to terms, or adjust some basic settings, such as which users or modules can use WhatsApp messaging inside Odoo. Take your time during this final step. If there are options you're not sure about, you can usually keep the default values and update them later from the settings menu. Once you've completed all the prompts, your WhatsApp integration should be active in Odoo and ready to use.